Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to insert a slicer into a report in the Power BI service. So let's start. I'm already logged into the Power BI service here and I'm on the home tab, so I'll go to my workspace. We'll use the workspace learn to Excel and I'll go to reports. I'll open my report and I need to hit the edit report button, so I have to open it in edit mode if I want to insert a slicer. So I click on edit report and the visuals become available to me. So over here what I'll do is I'll click on the slicer tab and you can see that the slicer visual becomes available to me. And now I'll go to the fact internet sales table and I'll drag the date which I want to put a filter on. So I'll put an order date and I'll drag it here and you can see it is giving me the dates here. And you'll see as I move these dates along, the other visuals, the data starts getting filtered out. And you can format the date visual as well. So essentially you could just go here and you could turn the title on and you could call it the date slicer. And slicer header will turn off. You can change the color or you can centrally align it. You can change the font color to maybe white. You can turn the background color to a black. So you can make other changes as well as you go along this and sort of just go through the formatting tab. But in this video we've essentially learned or covered the topic of adding a slicer into a report in Power BI service. I hope you find this video useful and thanks for watching this video. Please do let me know if you'd like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.